Assignment 3A Video 2. For this video here, what I'm going to do is start from where we left off in the last video. That's copying the information in from the zip folder and extracting it to the data file folder here. So with this information that we have now copied to our computer, what we're going to do is start the program ArcGIS and show you how to start a new project and how to load up the information into it. So for that, I'm going to click on the home screen for the Windows 8. Now if you have a different computer or a different operating system, how you start your program will be different. For me, I'll just flip to this screen here, click on the ArcMap 10. This should start the program up. And what you'll find is the initial screen here, you might have the getting started home screen here. I'm going to simply close this and start from scratch. So just canceling or hitting the X here. So starting from this new blank slate right here, what you're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is go up to the file and click on new. When this opens up, it'll ask you which template, use the blank map, then simply click on OK. That will ensure that you're starting in a clean slate. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to save it, save the drawing, and I'm going to make sure that I'm in the correct folder that I want, and I'm going to save this map as A3A for assignment 3A. Simply click on save. You'll notice that the title at the top changes, and the next step is to add the information that we've downloaded from the website into this map. To do that, you can simply click on this add data icon, or you can go to the file. If this icon isn't available, you can go to file and add data over here and click on this. Once you click on this, what you're going to see is all the folder connections that you've created show up here. If you're like me and you haven't cleaned this up, I'm going to show you how to disconnect the folder connection so it's much easier to find and your map is a little bit cleaner. So I'm going to cancel out of this for now. I'm going to go up to this icon right here that says catalog window. If we click on this icon right over here, you'll notice on the right hand side this information regarding your project right now is displayed. Along with this is this folder connections. If you expand this and you go to each one of these, what you can now do is click on it and let's say right click on it, and then you can disconnect the folder. So by doing this, you can clean up your project a little bit so you don't have all these different folders connected to your project. So I'm going to disconnect all those folders, and then I'm going to close the catalog window, and then I'm going to go to the add data icon, click on this, and you'll notice that the folder connections have now disappeared. And what we want to do is I'm going to connect to the correct folder, and for this it'll be in my PC under the D drive. Again, your computers will be different. Mine's under teaching, under the GIS. For me it's assignments, assignment 3, and then you'll notice the data file here. Clicking on this and clicking on OK. Once you do that, you'll see that this information right here is displayed. All you're going to do is simply click and highlight. So all I did was click on the first one, hold the shift key down, click on the last one, it selects everything in between, and then I'm going to simply click on add. Once you have this, you can see that the map of Canada appears in front and all the information has been loaded up. This concludes assignment 3A video 2, how to load the information into the project.